I like this meeting. It's different, I think, and you need to do this more times because it's difficult sometimes to talking about like I'm here in TNT every day talking about my life, things funny, tragic things, but never thinking about my job or my college. Thinking about that, thinking about my experience to talking about my the other person, it's really hard, but it's necessary because English is not about oh I only have fun with English. No. Sometimes you stay quiet, study things you don't need to study, but it's necessary for your life, for, take more knowledge. I like this topic. I really like the meeting. It's different and I like it so much.